Spectrogon is here! From Stockholm, Sweden, today we welcome an exciting new member of Optica. These people are one of the market leaders in thin film-based filters, and they cover the entire wavelength range from UV to 15 micrometers in the mid-infrared. They excel also in the manufacturing of diffraction gratings and pulse compression units for our femtosecond laser community. What I love the most about them is their flexibility, because when it comes to optical filters, everyone has different demands, not only on wavelength range, but also on size. And listen to this, Spectrogon can make sizes down to 1 by 1 millimeter, as well as large space optics for the James Webb Telescope. And Spectrogon has mastered the art of holographic gratings. Holographic diffraction gratings are beautifully made by the interference pattern of two lasers onto a surface. As flat and highly efficient as you can imagine, they do not display periodic errors, the so-called ghosts.
You guys seen any ghosts?
So having Spectrogon's holographic gratings in Optica opens the floor for cooperation in the fields of chirp amplification, laser pulse compression, Micrometers, custom fiber optics, or the development of new spectroscopic instruments. So our job will be to connect them with potential partners and customers such as OEMs in medical diagnostics, industrial process control equipment, robotics, environmental measurement systems, and last but not least, optical communication solutions. Välkommen Spectrogon! How is my Swedish?